Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be running through new features, discoveries that we've found in iOS 18 Beta 2. It's been out for a couple of weeks now, and we are still waiting for Beta 3 to be released pretty soon. But let's run down of newer features that we have missed in the past with Beta 2. Jump right into the features. So Apple did announce and say that you'll be able to control another person's screen over FaceTime once you allow the other user access to your phone. So you'll be able to control the screen, tap on any app, open it, or do a little circle on it. So with Siri, if we open to our settings, scroll down to where it's Siri, it does have a smaller text than what we did in the previous beta. We do have a new option down here where it says listen for Siri. So if we click on here, it says now talk to Siri. It doesn't tell us what it is or what the function does. This might be a new thing with Apple Intelligence. Now that we could continue talking with Siri while we ask her a question or a request. So we also have a new shortcut on the lock screen. So if we go to the lock screen, hit and hold, hit customize, there's a bug there now. Click on the home screen, get rid of this one, click on plus, and if we scroll all the way down to where we see notes, there it says quick notes. And there's a little bug there, a little delay on the apps, but now we can actually add a quick note to our lock screen. So if we go back, hit quick note, if it allows us, there we go, press and hold, and now it opens up a quick note on the lock screen, and then we can start typing if we want, or we can use voice detection as well. So another small detail when it comes to customizing the phone, if you press and hold, and we hit edit, and up here it has a different icons for add widget and customize. Before I had a little paintbrush, now it's a little paintbrush with the iPhone screen. Same with the glyph on top. Also, they changed a couple text here on the FaceTime option. So if we go down to FaceTime and we open up FaceTime, they added a smaller different text to the FaceTime details. So now it says manage app using Face ID and other iPhone accessories and settings. So another big update as well for messages, we have our RCS messages. So if we go down to our messages, not available yet, this is just an early beta, but you could turn on RC for your cell phone, for T-Mobile and Verizon. Due to me having two lines on my phone, it does give me an extra option to jump in and turn it on for both lines or just one line. And you can send videos and photos from iPhone to Android and vice versa. Another neat feature with this update, if we add a new card to our Apple Wallet, we hit the plus sign, add debit card, continue. We do have a new feature where we could automatically add a new card by tapping the chip on the back of the iPhone and automatically read it. Currently, right now, it looks like there is a bug with that feature. If we tap and hold, it does not recognize the network of that card. Another neat thing that Beta 2 does have, so when you pull down the control center, I've had accidents where I've pressed the power button and it has me shut it off right away, but now you just press and hold, so you don't have to make that same mistake. Apple is running a sale right now on their website for back to school. Buy a Mac or iPad for college with educational savings, get a gift card up to $150. So we haven't yet been able to use Apple Intelligence. We hopefully will be able to use it soon on the next beta coming out. According to Bloomberg by Mark Gurman, Apple eventually plans to turn some of its artificial intelligence features into paid services, similar to iCloud Plus subscriptions and much more. Hopefully we'll be seeing iOS 18 Beta 3 coming out next week on the 8th or the following week on the 15th. So pretty soon with other betas rolling out as like iOS 17.6 Beta 2, iPadOS 17.6 Beta 2, and watchOS 10.6 Beta 2. So battery health on Beta 2 has been okay, not the best, of course, it's due to the beta. Right now we're at 92% of 269 cycles as of today. Connectivity issue is a big deal for a lot of people. If you're using 5G and off of Wi-Fi, I haven't had any drops lately using 5G LTE. Like I said before in my previous video, I do have a second SIM card in this phone, so sometimes it does drop completely to 0 bars, but right now it looks like I'm in a good area space, so I do have full bars on each SIM card. I haven't had any other issues with Wi-Fi as well, depending on your home's Wi-Fi connection. I haven't had any disconnects between Wi-Fi and cellular data at home. Same with Bluetooth. Bluetooth, I haven't had any connectivity issues. If I bring my AirPods here next to me, it connects to my iPhone right away. So it looks like full screenshots isn't working right now as well. So if we open Safari, take a screenshot, open this up, and we hit full page, it does not load. It's stuck. It's not loading up the full page. There is another bug with screen time. So for some users, if we go into settings, we scroll down to screen time, for some users it completely freezes and it doesn't load into screen time. If we go back here and tap on screen time, for me it's working pretty fine, but for others, looks a little glitch there. Some others, when they tap on screen time, it does not load and it freezes up the whole settings and it doesn't let you move anything at all. But for me right now, it looks like screen time is working. The only way to get rid of the glitch is just to swipe and close the app. Performance so far is okay. It's not the best, of course, because it is a beta with going between different apps, different screens, scrolling between different pages. The performance is okay. It's not the best, but due to it being a beta, the performance could be better. Overall heat of the device, currently it's not as hot as it was when this phone first came out, and then running beta 2 on this phone, there's not much heat coming off of the phone back here. I've noticed a huge heat on the phone when I'm charging this phone. I leave it charging for about 5-10 minutes and it's completely hot. It kind of makes sense when you're charging it, but it shouldn't be as hot as it does for my phone. I normally, when I charge my phone, I take off the case and leave it face down, just to have the back nice and cool. Don't have it in a warm environment, but I did notice that when putting it to charge, it does heat up completely from top to bottom. As far as updating to any of these betas, I would say wait iOS 18 beta 3 or iOS 18 public betas, which that would be more refined in performance, battery life. Any bugs will be fixed by then. Well, that's it, you guys, for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like this video, please drop a like down below. And if you want to stay updated for any future updates, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.